You know that feeling when you just spent hours organizing a space and within a week it looks like a disaster again? That's because most of us are making the same organizing mistake, and today we're gonna fix it. Have you ever organized a space only to see it get messy again way too fast? Tell me in the comments, what's that one area in your home that never seems to stay organized? Mine is really my living room. So that this doesn't happen again, one of the biggest mistakes we're making is that we're organizing without decluttering first. Y'all know I love decluttering because it really does clear up the space and allows you to really accept all the abundance out there. And the thing is, most of us, we go straight to buying bins and labels without actually getting rid of excess first. This just creates neater clutter, not actually organization. If you've ever bought organizing bins and you still feel overwhelmed, let me know in the comments because you are not alone. All right, so now that you know the wrong way to organize, let's talk about the right way to organize. Step number one is you have to declutter first and then you organize. You need to clear the space, create an empty canvas, create a space that only has things that you love, and then you bring the order. Step number two is to group similar items together. You need to know what you have, and putting them together makes it easy to find. Step number three is to use labels and clear storage. Typically, I would suggest any kind of storage bin, but clear storage bins allows you to see what you have even though you have a label on it. And this is probably the easiest way to organize your space. In the future, I will talk about different type of storage bins that we can use in our space to create a more luxurious and beautiful space. But if you're starting off, clear storage is the best way to go. Are you feeling overwhelmed with clutter but don't have the time or even the energy to tackle it yourself? I've got you covered. With my Done For You virtual organizing service, I'll create a customized organizing plan and handle the heavy lifting so you can enjoy a stress-free, clutter-free home without lifting a finger. Click the link in the description to get started today. And step number four is to make it easy to maintain. This is probably the most important part when it comes to organizing it, is keeping your space organized. Just making this one switch, decluttering before organizing, will change everything. But let's take it one step further, because even the best system in your home won't stay organized unless it's set up for your lifestyle. As busy moms, our lifestyle is constantly changing, and in order for your space to stay organized, it has to meet you where you are today. So it's homework time. Pick one area you previously organized without decluttering first, declutter it properly, and then organize it again. Comment decluttered below when you're done, because this is gonna keep you accountable. And in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I help busy moms create homes that stay organized effortlessly. It is, like I say, a game changer. So be sure to watch so you can set up a home system that actually lasts. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you learned something new. If this is you right now and you have been purchasing organizing products before you've actually decluttered your home, it is okay. You are fine. This just means you are gonna now learn a new skill. And once you adapt this new skill, I promise you, your home will stay organized. I have helped hundreds of busy moms in the past, and one thing they do the most is they purchase organizing products before decluttering or organizing their space. They end up wasting money, but guess what? This is not going to be you. So before you purchase any organizing products, make sure you declutter first. Thank you so very much for watching this video. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.